Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to enable loop on YouTube using your computer. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So, first of all, if you don't know what loop means, it means that it will continuously repeat the video that you are watching. So, now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And then just go ahead and play the video that you want to watch. So let's just skip this ad in a second. And then here. So for example, this is the video that you want to watch. And I want you to do is to right click on the video. Okay. And now, as you can see here, you can see the loop option. So you just want to click on that. And now you can see the check mark, right? That means that the loop is enabled. But if you want to disable it, just go ahead and click on that. And as you can see that the check mark is not here. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.